Understanding Melt My Heart, an English idiom explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be exploring the phrase, melt my heart. This idiom is widely used in English to express a very specific emotional response. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means or how to use it, you're in the right place. The phrase, melt my heart, is an idiom that describes a feeling of strong affection or love, often causing one to feel tender or sentimental. When something melts your heart, it touches you deeply in an emotional and positive way. It's commonly used when talking about something sweet, endearing, or touching. Let's look at how this idiom can be used in everyday language. Seeing the puppy play with the kitten just melted my heart. The way my son helped his sister out melted my heart. In both examples, the phrase indicates that something was so touching it created a warm and affectionate feeling in the speaker's heart. You can use melt my heart in a variety of situations where you experience feelings of love, warmth, and affection. It's often used in the context of cute or lovable actions, especially by children or animals. It's also common in romantic contexts, such as when a partner does something thoughtful. We hope this video has melted your heart and helped you understand this charming English idiom. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about expressing emotions. Use melt my heart to share those warm, fuzzy feelings with others. Until next time, keep practicing, and we hope our paths cross again in another learning adventure.